Hey guys, what's up? It's time to unbox the Infinix 020, and this is a new mid-range phone from Infinix which is costing around 57,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. In this price range, we have a 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM. Also, in the color I have gray color, and this phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. And the main highlight of the Infinix 020 is their front-facing camera. This phone has a 60 megapixel selfie camera with optical image stabilization, which we don't see in this price range before. Also, we have a 108 megapixel main camera, and this phone is powered by new Helio G99 SoC. Also, we have 4500 mAh battery size with a 45 watt fast charging support. So in this video, we're going to unbox the Infinix 020. I am really excited to see this 60 megapixel optical image stabilization selfie camera on this phone. So now let's quickly unbox the Infinix 020. Now let's see that what is Infinix has to offer in this phone. So here's the box of the Infinix 020, and you can see on this box it says 020. On the back we have some more specification, and this phone has a 4500 mAh battery size. And again, the main highlight of this phone is a 60 megapixel optical image stabilization front-facing camera. So now let's quickly unbox this phone, and like this. So now let's open this box. So here is our device, Infinix 020 in the deep gray color. So now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see here is the Infinix 020 looks like in this deep gray color. On the back we have matte finish. Back is made up of plastic, I think. On the back we have very big dual cameras. We have 108 megapixel main camera, then we have a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. Lastly, we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor with a quad LED flash. And I really like the design language of the 020. Looks and feel very good in the hand. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So we have a soft silicone case. Also we have a SIM ejection tool. Also we have this X-Spark sticker with a 1-year warranty card. Also we have charger, and guys, and this is a 45 watt adapter, and you can see this phone maximum support 45 watt fast charging. That's really good thing. Also we have cable USB type C to USB A, but no headphones inside the box. That's really disappointing. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Infinix 020. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, headphone jack. On this side we have SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. So inside the SIM tray we also have rubber. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. Also we have a rubber inside the SIM tray. So on the top we have another speaker, because this phone has a dual speakers, another microphone. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 108 megapixel main camera with a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. Back is made up of plastic, and the frame is also made up of plastic. Let me know if I'm wrong. And this phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, but we have this U-shaped notch, and the bezels around the display it is also really thick, and the frame of this phone is completely flat, so which feels really premium. Again, on the front we have a 60 megapixel selfie camera in this U-shaped notch. This phone also has a fingerprint scanner on the side. So now let's quickly set up the fingerprint scanner. And the haptics, I would say it is really average, not really great in my opinion. And guys, here's the first boot of the Infinix 020, and you can see. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has an AMOLED display, and the display it is really bright, and you can see. And this phone also running on new XOS. That's really good thing, and the control panels is changed a lot as compared to the previous XOS. Now let's go my phone. This phone is running on Android 12. That's really good thing. Also we have XOS version 12. Also we have 256 GB of internal storage out of 17.73 GB it is already used on this phone. So now let's go to the display. Again, we have high brightness mode, which we don't see before. Now let's go to the refresh rate, and you can see we have 90 Hz refresh rate. We also have an auto option. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And the fingerprint scanner speed, it is really fast on this phone. No issue whatsoever. This phone has a dual speakers. And you can see we have dual speakers. This phone is powered by new MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, which is a little improvements over the Helio G96. So very excited to test the performance of this phone. So here are the pre-installed application. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has a 108 megapixel main camera. So here all the modes available in this phone. So we also have 108 megapixel mode. So here is your ultra wide. So we have a 13 megapixel ultra wide. I am wrong about the telephoto lens. We have 13 megapixel ultra wide. Back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We also have full HD 60 fps. And we also have a film mode. You can also record videos with the ultra wide lens, and with the ultra wide lens we also have a ultra steady mode. We also have a beauty mode. We also have a portrait mode. We also have a super night mode, and you can see super night mode also available with the ultra wide lens. And right there we also have a slow motion maximum. We have a 240 fps. We also have a pro mode. We also have a super macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. So we don't have any depth sensor. That's really good thing. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 60 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see with optical image separation. So now let's go to the video mode. The front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We also have full HD 60 fps. Ultra steady mode also available with the front facing camera, and beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode also available. With the front facing camera we also have a slow motion. You can see this phone is give you a lot of camera features which I did not expect on this phone. Now let's talk about the battery size. This phone has a 4500 mAh battery size with a 45 watt fast charging. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix 020. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.